Alright guys, welcome back to Mason Capital. Today we're going to be showing you how you could purchase your first GameStop NFT from the NFT Marketplace. So let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set up your wallet. If you haven't done that yet, I recommend checking out this video where I show you how to set up a GameStop NFT wallet, and then from there we're going to go ahead and we're going to send money from our exchange, and then we're gonna start buying the NFT. So I'm gonna go ahead and send money to my GameStop NFT wallet. So as you can see, it is on. So as you can see right now, the GameStop wallet is open, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna click receive. So now that we have our address, this is just a temporary wallet, basic wallet. We're going to go ahead and click copy to clipboard. Now remember, this is on Ethereum layer 1, so you have two options. You have Loopring or you have Ethereum L1. So we're just going to go ahead and click Ethereum L1 first. Alright, now we're going to take our address that we got for our wallet, and now we're going to fund it. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go on Coinbase, and you can do this with almost any exchange. So I recommend using any type of exchange that you prefer. I personally use Coinbase currently, but there's also FTX and Binance if you want to use any of those. I'll have links down below. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and buy. So we're going to go to trade. And now you can see on Coinbase, we're on the advanced trading chart, and you can go ahead and see all of the assets. Obviously, currently that with the GameStop wallet, it's only on Ethereum, so we need Ethereum right now. So let's go ahead and purchase some. Now, when you're on the Coinbase website, you will see the price is obviously moving right now because people are trading. Now you can go ahead and market buy. If you want to market buy, you could do that, or you could do a limit. A limit is where you set the price, and if that price hits, then you will be able to purchase Ethereum at that price. So you can go ahead and do that, and then once you have your purchase completed, then we'll move on. Alright guys, now you can see that we have completed our purchase of Ethereum. Now we need to send it to our wallet. Remember, we have our address copied to the clipboard, so all we need to do is click on send and receive. Make sure it's on Ethereum and click send. Now all you gotta do is paste the address to, and let's do, I'm only going to do a little bit because I don't think I need that much. So let's just do 0.02 Ethereum. So we're going to do that. As you can see, the network fee is very low right now. So let's go ahead, send it. And you may have to complete a two-factor authentication. Alright guys, so now that we have our Ethereum on our new GameStop wallet, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to move our Ethereum from layer 1 to layer 2. So we're going to change the layer from layer 1 to layer 2. So we're going to go to Loopring, click deposit funds, and so we're going to go ahead and click move Ethereum. So for me, I'm just going to do the max. Now you need to remember, you need to have some money for gas. For me, it's about 0.005. So just make sure if you are transferring that you have that much money or that much Ethereum available for you to transfer over. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm move. unfortunately there was an issue, but what we can do is we can make it 0.01. So I went ahead and I just completed the transfer. Now it says it could take up to 30 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and wait, and I will see you guys back when it's ready. Alright guys, so our deposit just completed, and we can go ahead and see that by clicking on the Gamestop wallet. Now, as you can see, we are on Loopring layer 2, and now we have our Ethereum in there. Now, if you click on activity, you can see I had to activate this wallet because it is on the Loopring network. So we're going to go ahead, and if you haven't done that already, you should do that. But now we can go ahead and purchase our first NFT. So now that we have our wallet connected to the website, and you can see that by clicking on the profile icon at the top. Now, when we click on explore, we can go ahead and see which NFT projects that are available for us to purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and just find a simple one. Now remember, we can sort it by different filters, so we can go ahead and see what project is most liked, least liked, highest price or lowest price. But let's go with lowest price right now just to see. So we can see that we have plenty of NFTs to choose from, especially ones that are quite cheap. So in some cases, your account may say it's not activated when it's actually activated. So you can disregard that notification. And now we can go ahead and just purchase any NFT. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one. I'll pick up this cheap one, which is about 52 cents. So let's go ahead and purchase this one. So we're going to click buy now. As you can see, it's showing the Ethereum for the NFT, which is 0.0005, which is about 52 cents. And then you also have to pay a network fee, which is about 22 cents. So we're going to go ahead and click confirm payment. Now you do have to approve this in your wallet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So now, as you can see, in order for us to approve this purchase, we have to sign the message. So we're going to go ahead and click approve. And it should pop up pretty soon. Now, I've noticed with this wallet, it will ask you multiple times for like the same type of approve for the different transactions. But in reality, you should only be doing this once. So maybe it's a glitch with the wallet, but remember, it's a beta, so hopefully it's not something where, it purchases multiple copies of it. But let's see. So it says, congratulations, you have purchased one edition of the affordable NFT. So we got our NFT, our first NFT, we got it. So let's go ahead and click on our wallet. So now you can see when we go back to our profile, you can see that we own this NFT. For some reason it says I own two, which is surprising. But let's go ahead and click on our wallet again just to make sure. Okay. Now, the cool part about this NFT is if you enjoy that NFT quite a lot, what you could do is you could actually move it back to Ethereum L1. And you're probably asking, why would you do that? Well, the majority of NFT, sales happen on L1. It is more expensive. However, if a project is quite popular, it makes sense to move it to L1 to, list it on OpenSea or, Looks Rare, which is another NFT platform, because who knows, maybe if people who are in the NFT scene want to purchase this NFT that you have, it might be better just because everybody trades, majority of the trades happen on OpenSea and LooksRare. However, I'm sure in the future they're going to have more layer 1 tokens in NFTs, so you don't have to worry about that right now. So overall, you guys, I hope this helped you guys out. I mean, this is pretty basic. Now we have our first NFT. You could do this with any NFT. So in the future, if there's a new Halo or whatever NFT that comes out, just make sure that you have enough money. So you would need Ethereum, and yeah, that's about it. Just make sure you have enough funds in your wallet and make sure it's transferred to Loopring, and you should be good to go. Other than that, I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you enjoyed this video, continue on to this video about how you can set up your GameStop NFT wallet.